Hey, welcome guys. So today I just want to
We're still
share a quick
on.
project that I started yesterday. It's a very simple hey, welcome
Web
guys.
server.
So today I just want to
We're still
share a quick
on.
project that basically it's going to look like this. It's just for, if you have books that you want to see, and then you can read it on your tablet or on your laptop, and you can have this running in uh, one of your desktop computer or a server that you have, and basically it it shows you the cover and then the title for the book, and then you can just yeah, read it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna try to go for. So let's see here. So then I already have the Git repository, so I got that working on a local server that I have, but I'm gonna try to duplicate it here in my setup here. So it's just good practice. So we're gonna clone the repo, start the Python environment, um, and then install the requirements. We'll start the server and then make sure it's all working. So hopefully we don't run into any issues with that. So yeah, let's go to the terminal here. And for some reason, why do I have all this crap here? Um, Mousepad, what the heck is all this? Move that up. Okay. All right, let's not spend much time on that. So let's just go over here. So let's clone the repository. Um, let's go back here. Just grab this guy. Yeah. Okay. Boom. Got a repo. And then go on to start environment. So and we'll start environment here. Then we'll execute. Oh, if you don't have this VM with this virtual environment, so um, you could look for that module. And then what happens there, did I show before? Oh, I should have done ls, but it starts a virtual environment, and the path I provide is just local here, so maybe I should have isolated it. But basically, we'll call the source the environment here. Yeah, it's just activate. And so if you see here, you're basically in a virtual environment. Um, and then what we want to do next is install the requirement. So pip requirements, upgrade pip. No, we don't want to do that. So let's see. Do that. Requirements. Let's copy this guy. Okay, that should install our requirements. Collected. What's it saying here? So now that should install that. So if you do pip freeze, should have some of them I'm looking for. Let's see what's in the requirements actually. So I need this fit Z, flask, and pillow. So flask is there, fit Z, div, okay, and pillow. Okay, should be all there. Okay, so what's the next step? Once we install that, then we start the server. And so the requirements, you could individually install them. So for example, here, there's 3 requirements. So you could do pip install the fits, but it's already installed. So, and then you could do flask and then pillow. And so that's the same thing as doing what I did with the pip install there. So let's just do it again, and then see, this is what I did to install the requirements in that file. Okay. Now let's yeah, so let's look at the code. So basically here we need 2 directories. You have the PDF directories and then this covers directory that I made. And so basically this script creates a cover for it and then has this HTML. It goes through it, and then here's where it creates the the source for the covers. So you could see the first page, and then this is the link to the actual file. And so you guys can modify this to whatever directory or whatever name that you guys want to use. Okay, and then sorry, and then download file. Okay, that's if you want to read the file. Create a thumbnail. That's not a route. So basically, I have this get PDF cover, which gets called right here. This link, when this HTML gets parsed, it gets called there. And so yeah, that's about it. Less than 100 lines of code there. So so let's quit this and let's actually run my app.py. Import fizz. Okay. So I thought so there's another name for that that fizz. There's let's see what it says. No module name. Oh, okay. Okay, front end. So let's install that. Front end. Why do I need to install that? Might be something. Let me just look at this up real quick. Okay. So I think this might be an old one. So let's uninstall fizz and install actually. Okay, so uninstall that and then install this PDF. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so read this. So I think it's running good. Let's try to, where's the, now I'm trying to look for, there you go, a browser. So now it's 30, yep, that's the one, 30,000. Okay, not good. No such file or directory PDFs. Okay, so it's complaining that we don't have a directory named PDFs. So let's just stop the server for a second. Okay, so that's what we forgot. So basically, I have a link. So let's into this. Okay, so there you go. And so if I do go here, you could see, okay. So in here, there needs to be a covers folder that you need to create. Otherwise, you might get another error, or you could possibly include that in the app when it starts. You, but for this one, I didn't do it. So you might want to check if the covers directory exists. And if not, maybe create it. But these are all the books that we're gonna display there. So let's start the server again. Okay. And then let's go back here and see if we get, there you go. Nice. So you can go here, read the book. Yeah, that's basically it. Orbital dynamics. Here we go. Let's see if there's anything else that I want to cover. I think that's it. There's kind of a bug with that fit. So on here, I guess there's another module named fits. So hopefully you guys don't have a hard time with that. If not, you could just paste it in a search engine and look for that issue. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.